Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe After Effects. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started with this incredible software. After Effects is a robust application for crafting professional motion graphics and visual effects. It empowers you to bring your creative visions to life, from simple text animations to complex visual sequences. Let's dive in and explore its core functionalities together, making your learning journey smooth and enjoyable. Understanding the After Effects workspace is crucial for efficient editing. The project panel is your central hub for all imported media, like videos and images. The composition panel shows your visual output, giving you a live preview of your work. Below that, the timeline panel is where you arrange layers, apply effects, and animate properties over time. You can also customize your workspace to suit your specific needs, enhancing your productivity significantly. Now, let's explore the exciting world of animation and effects. Keyframes are fundamental. They mark specific points in time where a property changes, like position or scale. You can easily add visual enhancements using the Effects and Presets panel, offering hundreds of options. Adjusting these effect parameters is done in the Effect Controls panel. Also, parenting layers allows one layer to control another, simplifying complex animations with just a few clicks. Once your project is complete, it's time to render and export your masterpiece. Add your composition to the render queue, which manages your final output. Here, you'll select your desired format and codec, such as H.264 for web use. For more advanced export options and batch processing, consider using Adobe Media Encoder. Always optimize your render settings to achieve the best balance between visual quality and manageable file size for your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.